ngayon, pupunta po kami ng pagpapagupitan ni Aldrin. Magpapagupit na siya. Ano, okay? Okay. So, tara. Samahan niyo kami. Hi, Papa. Ayan na, dito na kami. Baba. Ayan, siya na yung nauna. Pero di namin alam kung ano yung result niya. Kung gusto niya din bang magpagupit. Aldrin, pag ikaw hindi ka nagpagupit, hindi tayo pupunta ng padon. Gusto mo? Ha? Ang haba na kasi guys, simula nung pan siya, baby siya, hindi namin siya ginugupitan. Apo. Yeah, gupit-gupit na yan. Tapos ng Papa finish na siya. Ay. Ganyan talaga, anak. Pag malaki ka na naman, okay? Tingin mo si Papa tapos na, parang pogi-pogi yung dalawa. Wow. Huwag malikot, Aldrin, ha? Kasi, laki-laki ng gunting ni Kuya. Yan na, pinalitan na. Very good. Ang galing, Gusto pala niya si Kuya yung magkupit, Yan ang pogi na. Bye-bye. Pero sama yan sa paddle. Uy.
We've had that intermediate sprint and interestingly did catch you eye. Yeah, I saw a big crash at the start.
Yung tahimik niya kanina ayaw niya lang. Ay, ang pogi naman yan. Ay, ang pogi-pogi naman ng anak ko na yan. Ay, ang galing-galing. Ang tahimik niya. Ang tahimik niya lang. Ay, ang guwapo naman yung dahil yan may pa-Jollibee si Mama sa'yo. Bili tayo ng Jollibee mamaya, okay? Ang bait-bait. Ang bait-bait naman yan. Ang galing-galing, ha? Ayan. Okay. Guys, alam nyo, may pakiramdam na yung ang daldal niya ganon. Ang daldal niya, tas ayaw niya kaninang magpagupit. Pero ngayon, kaninang ginupitan siya, wala na, tahimik niya na. So, parang nakagigilty rin ako. Kasi nagpagupit. Wala na. Tignan mo yung buhok niya.
Champion of France. Not anybody can do about the skill and the power of Primoz Roglic.
Wow. Gusto tayo Jollibee? Ayun yung anak ko. Nagwapo.
This is the route today. We wend our way down through the centre of the Basque Country. There are a couple of climbs with some flat plains before a rolling finale. We have 3 categorised climbs along the route. This could be one for a group. The hardest stage, but still
Kasi sa ito.
finish in Ghana.
Sabi ko, pag hindi nagpagupit, magagalit si kuya.
To add a little bit of spice to stage 2 of Hitsuya. And there's the paper for you.
Uy,
As you start, flat straight out of the blocks, they climb.
bait-bait naman ng anak ko.
Diana, Medusa, and Diana also on up to the sprints. The time bonuses
Nagpapunaltik.
there. But it's time to enjoy some adventures.
Lalong pumogi yung anak ko yung baby ko
Welcome to stage 2 of Itzulia, the tour of the Basque Country. There is the profile. That is the view as we roll through these plains here in the centre of this beautiful part of Spain. 207.9 kilometres on the menu for the riders today. Starting in Dieta, finishing in Diana.
Very good talaga.
A great body of 4 riders. Enjoy
Yan, ikot na naman sila ni Papa.
4 minutes and 3 seconds, and unsurprisingly,
Ayun, oh my
basket. Before I do list the riders up the road, I'm going to introduce our co-commentator for the rest of this week. It is Nico Roquefort, Irish road champion, a Grand Tour stage winner as well, an all-round lovely bloke, to be perfectly honest with you. Nico, great to have you alongside me. What a treat we had yesterday in that individual time trial. It had everything in such a short space of time.
Tanggalin mo yan.
It was a brilliant follow yesterday, definitely. From the technical part of it, the kind of first few kilometers on the
Tulog mo
dash,
yan.
and then the climb, the cobbles. It was what a show by the riders.
Yan ka anak ko, ganyan, ganyan lang.
Apart from obviously the first two kind of dominated it, but behind that it's still very, very close.
So it's scroll down through the riders to finish. Just over a minute. Top 12, the top 10 riders. Ben Tiller, great ride by Linus, was in 10
Lupit yan.
seconds. Something riders who are out in front. So they went away early on.
The program and Amstel coming in this weekend.
Q there, Nico, for Adderley. Because we're going to interview
Lapit na anak, lapit na, wag ka malikot. Para hindi ka masugat. Lapit na po. Lapit na yan. Lapit na yan. Yan, very good. Ang bait-bait naman yan. Alam niya kung ano yung... Alam niya.
Ouais, c'est un peu le départ qui va un peu déterminer comment va se passer la journée. Je pense que Japo va contrôler, nous aussi, donc on va voir ce qui se passe. Mais bien sûr, on a envie d'essayer de gagner l'étape, mais Nico doit arriver devant sans problème, donc on va voir comment la journée se passe. Est-ce que si ça arrive à un sprint massif, est-ce qu'on peut même voir Primoz Roglic c'était quelqu'un que vous avez surveillé en vélo aussi. Ouais, bah, de toute façon, vu le final avec les virages, tout le monde va vouloir être devant, que ce soit les mecs qui vont essayer de gagner l'étape ou ceux du classement général. Ça serait bien placé. Trois virages, on a des 800 mètres.
He did say he was going to try. There was a couple of stages I think this week. I think that was normally we are also looking like with him. So it's kind of clear that he wants to set a point, especially after his big disappointment at the TT yesterday.
Natutuwa lang talaga ako sa inyong mag-ama.
She had a problem with his bike and had to change bikes. Still haven't finished 28
Dahil yan, punta tayo ng Padol.
So still a decent ride, but it did look unsurprisingly cheesed off, to call it an English way. I'm pretty disappointed. But today is a completely different day. And Nico, as we look at our break rolling through, they're enjoying the lead now, 3 minutes and 25 seconds. It's hovered between 4 and 4.5 minutes as Jumbo Visma continue to ride on the front and eat into the lead. They're heading into a little bit of a headwind today, not too much.
Oh, huwag malikot. Huwag ka malikot.
the casualties, that pain that will cause his mind. I think at some point, I'm not sure he can bear this kind of costs indefinitely. And at some point, we might see a change take place. But I see no alternative to persisting at this particular point in time.
Ambassador John Negroponte, thank you so much for your time tonight. We really appreciate it. You heard the plea from one of those displaced Ukrainians with whom I spoke earlier in the show, asking those who deliver the truth about this war, please don't stop. We're going to bring in two of our greatest truth tellers ahead
Ilan pa niya
who
yung
have
mukha?
witnessed the horrors of this war up close while bringing us the truth.
Wow.
Again, Matthew Chance bring us more
Pogi.
facts to debunk some of the
Oh,
other
taas na yung ulo,
fiction
anak.
about this Russian invasion. That's next.
I am Nigerian American by residence. It is important to me that those same strands of inclusivity that flow through me are mirrored in the stories that we tell. One world is a place where Africa has an equal seat at the global table.
Zain Asha, tonight on CNN.
Business next, the sun sets. It's signed in Dubai. Europe is already in play. New York prepares. First. I'm Julia Chastity, journalist, global market analyst, and host of CNN
First cut in the hair.
Joining in the financial capital of the world for market moving
Yung pogi naman. Ang pogi naman niya.
being trade.
Malapit na.
It's all right here. Make CNN your first move.
First Move with Julia Shattery. Tonight on CNN.
Oh, wag malikot.
Have fun tonight. Hypocrite and cheat.
Finish na.
Straight, Senator. Senate Democrats debate.
Uy, bait-bait naman yan.
Shooting the messenger because you don't like the message.
Ayoko daw, yoko, saglit, yoko.
And they shouldn't get away with it.
Because getting to the truth matters.
The Washington Post wouldn't confirm the date of that hearing, so you're telling me unless I go back to the time capsule, you're not going to believe it.
Okay. Dan. Ay. Sino yan? Sino yan? Bulsa man lang. Bulsa man.